guys, so today I'm going to be making a Caribbean street food, which I don't know how to pronounce the name of, but I'll put the name of it up. And I bought this special pan here, which is the fish shape, because what it is fish shaped bread, and it can be savory or sweet, so I'm going to make a savory one and a sweet one today. But the first thing I need to make is actual batter for it, for the bread. And first thing I need to do is I'm going to add my egg, and then with every ingredient that I add, I'm just going to add one at a time, and then I'm going to mix it all together. So like with the egg right now, I'm just going to mix it until it's white, but not like super white. That looks good. I know it's not super white, but I mixed it pretty well. And then I'm going to add in my sugar. I'm going to mix this together well. There we go. Then I'm going to add in my milk. And when I first heard of this food, I thought it was a dessert because there's an ice cream place here in San Antonio, and they actually make these, but they put the ice cream in it. And so I thought I really wanted to try one. So I thought it would be cooler just to make my own at home. Now I actually know what it is, and I know it can be savory or sweet. And the one at the ice cream place, this is my baking powder. The one at the ice cream place is more of like a cone, but this one is more of a bread, because obviously if I put ice cream in this, it would make the bread all soggy and probably not taste as good. So yeah, I'm gonna mix this in. And the last ingredient I'm going to add in is my flour. Or no, this is not my last one. My second to last ingredient. So I did try different types of batter because there's different ways you can make it. And this is the one that I liked the most. So you can see it's thickening up really nice. And it's kind of like a pancakey batter. Now I've mixed that really well, and you can see how thick it is. And then the last ingredient I'm going to add is my oil. And then I will be done mixing my batter, and I'm going to get out my ingredients that I'm going to put into my fish-shaped bread. Now I'm ready to start making them on here, and you're supposed to do it on like a gas stove. That's how most people do it, but I don't have a gas stove, and I'm using a griddle instead so the heat is distributed evenly. And I have my batter here. I'm gonna add, oh wait, I almost forgot to spray it. I missed that one. There we go. That's good. And then I have all my ingredients out here for both savory and sweet. And then it is traditionally made with red bean paste, so that's what I have. The jar is upside down, but yeah, I just got that from the Asia market. And so first, I'm gonna pour in a little bit in the head here, just so I can put some of that stuff in that I want. There we go. I'm gonna do this side too. I probably need to add more though, just to fill the head in a little bit more. There we go. And then I'm trying to act quickly because I don't want it to, well, it's not gonna cook fast, but yeah, this is very hot. And I have it about like a medium heat-ish. It's at 350. But yeah, so I'm starting to add in my stuff here. Oh yeah, I forgot I'll just do both of these, this particular sweet one. I was getting distracted and I put chocolate chips in both of them. So yeah, I'll do both of these ones like s'mores. That feels hotter than when I practiced it, so I'm not getting like too close. Okay, there we go. That's good, and now I need to cover that up. And then how much batter I made, it'll only make about 6-ish maybe. And so, should probably be careful with how much I use. Oh, I did way too much overflowing there. Whoopsie. It's because of how thick it is. And now I'm gonna make sure I fill in the bottom tail. Let me kind of use my spatula to move it around. And I'm definitely not going to fill the other one up. I'm not going to touch that one. Let me just put this here, and then now I'm going to close it. Whoa. So I can start cooking. And oh, I also have a clasp here. So that way it stays shut. And it is okay if it's overflowing on the other side. I mean, it's just going to cook on the griddle. But yeah, so each side is actually gonna take about 10 minutes, so it's gonna take a while for these to cook, so I will see you when they're done. Here are the two finished ones I have, and it's okay that I overfilled it because I can just trim off the edges, but they look nice and really nicely browned. And now I'm going to do my red bean paste one and then my savory one. Well, this is a sweet one technically. But yeah, so I'm gonna do the same thing I did last time. Hopefully I won't overfill it this time. And then I'll probably do off camera like another bean paste one, just so I use up all the batter. There we go. And I know some people make theirs like really thick. Like, I saw a thumbnail of a video and it was like a giant piece of the red bean paste or whatever, but I'm not making mine super thick. But I'm gonna take a spoonful, this much for now, and I'm gonna do it in this one, right there. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Because these ones are like, I wouldn't say they're super thin, but whoops. There we go. And then for my savory one, I'm going to do some turkey and some cheese. Put this in. Maybe I should have put the cheese first. Oh, it'll all go together. Go. Oops, I got a tiny piece of cheese on the red bean paste side, but that's okay. Go, and then obviously the cheese is already gonna start melting. Just squishing it down a little bit. Fit as much as I can. Now I'm gonna fill these up. Hopefully not overflow as much as they did. I'm gonna kind of start with the tail first. Spread it out evenly like this. And cover this bean paste. And I didn't taste what the bean paste tastes like, so I don't know if it's actually good or not. But I'll have to see. And I kind of messed it down there. There we go. And then when I'm done with these two, I don't think I'll have like enough for two more, maybe like one more, because made these two pretty thick. There we go. Ooh, there we go. Now I'm ready. Oops. Now I'm ready to cook these two, doing the same thing I did last time. Closing that. Now I'm gonna let that cook for another 20 minutes. So this is what these ones look like. This one's a savory one down here, and then this is the one with the bean paste. And I'm actually gonna do my last two. I'm gonna do some ube. So I have some here. And I'm just gonna make, well, I might be able to make two or one. I probably won't do a scoop that big, but maybe like this much, right in the middle. There we go. That's a nice scoop. And then I'm just gonna do one first, and we'll see how much I have left. I might be able to do the last one. But yeah, I just need to trim the edges on those other ones just so they look a little bit cleaner. Actually, kind of push it down a little bit. And then I might be able to do this last one. I didn't put as much in just in case I can't cover the whole thing. And it's good that these can only serve 6 anyway, because it's best to eat these warm. Oops, let's try to add the rest just so I didn't have any left over. Yeah, we'll see how these last ones turn out. Gonna close this. So here are all of my finished fish. I still don't know how to pronounce the name. That's okay. But the one in the front here is a red bean, and then these two are the ube, and these two are the s'mores, and then this one's the savory one. And I tried these two before when we were testing them, but I haven't tried like the red bean or the ube because we just bought the red bean today. And oh, let me break it open. Oh wait, this one's a ham and cheese? I thought that one was a red bean. Maybe this one is. There we go. Okay, well I kind of don't want to get it on there. Let me put this back here. There we go. We'll see how it is. It's kind of weird looking. It just looks like beans and the thing. But yeah, I thought I didn't really like this one just because like the texture and everything. But yeah, I thought this one was for sure the red bean one because I guess the darkness around here, I don't know. So yeah, I didn't like this one just because I didn't like the texture, but it is sweet. And then I've had this one before. The turkey and cheese is good because it's just like a sandwich. So you can kind of do other stuff that's similar to a sandwich and put that in there. And then this one is the s'mores one. Kind of wish I did these ones last because I like my chocolate like nice and warm, but still nice and melty. This one tastes good as well. And then the last one I'm going to taste is the ube one, which I just took out like a few minutes ago. So it is hot. Oh, you know what? I have a napkin here. I'm going to use this to help me break it open. Do it this way.
go. There's steam coming off. So I might let this one cool a little bit. I like it good. Okay, yeah, I like the ube one. And then I did a lot of ube, so this one's like really, really nicely filled and really thick. But yeah, I love making ube stuff, so if I made these again, I would definitely put more ube. But yeah, all these tasted good, and you know, we can make them savory or make them sweet, so there's lots of different ways you can make them. I think you can also do like Nutella, and yeah, I think all these tasted, well, not the beans one. I wouldn't eat that one again, but that is how they are traditionally made, so I wanted to try and do that one. I don't know, maybe I'll have to see what I do with the rest of the red beans, because I don't really know. I think you can like probably make something out of it, but yeah, these tasted really good, and I'll definitely make them again. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.